What's good, YouTube? Today we about to go get some tent. I found a tent shop local, give them a try, and hopefully everything turns out amazing. Happy Friday, y'all. All right, we just pulled up. Let's see what we got.
How's it going?
Hey,
man?
what's going on, man? How you doing?
Good, man. How about
Cool.
yourself?
Good, good. How you doing? I'm Andrew.
Trevor. Nice to meet you, Andrew.
man.
Steam helps loosen that adhesive and it can peel right off.
Inside. Alright, the tent is on, it's looking good. So that's my front window. Fronts are 20%. Windshield, I didn't get any tint because my windshield is chipped, but yeah, that's 20%. The back is 5%. I just left the tent shop. This sun is beaming. Yeah, so this Texas heat is no joke. I just got back from the tent shop, and you know, once you get your windows tinted, you're not supposed to roll them down at all. You gotta let everything kind of set in place. Now, I normally don't run my air at all, but this was like the first nice day that we had in a while. Yo, the sun was beaming, way too hot. So lesson learned, go get tint when it's cooler out or before it gets too nice, I guess. But yeah, official tissue. So this is 20%, 20% on the front, 5 on the back, and then 5 on the rear windshield. Everything is looking good. No more bubbles. Yeah, good to go. I like it. From the outside, it's harder to see in unless you really get up on it. But again, it's 20%. But if you notice, on the other side, you can see through it. So that's what it looks like inside the car. So I like that. And even on the back, for the 5%, like, yeah, you see the difference. 5% from the inside, 20% from the inside. But even 5% from the inside is fine. I gotta see how this looks at night though, because I had 15% on there before. And the 15%, super rough to see at night. So yeah, Eartha is back, tinted out, looking good, looking amazing. Little corner section, yeah. But yeah, I think I'll leave the video there. I'm probably gonna do some work on the Evo either today or Sunday. Not entirely sure. That sounds like a war cry. I don't know what that is. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. Trying to do better with uploading more videos and trying to record stuff while I do it, which I'm terrible at. I either just do it or I don't. Definitely need to do better with kind of capturing the stuff that I'm doing to the cars, kind of documenting the process. But I've had more important things to tend to. RX-7 still over there, back running. We'll leave it at that. Y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, drop a comment. Let me know what y'all want to see, or let me know what your thoughts are. Hit me up on Instagram, all that good stuff, man. I'm a pretty fun guy. But yeah, y'all be safe. Enjoy this weather. Yeehaw.